Emma was there, and I heard him speak vividly about it. He's very passionate about it. And I also plan to do that. Can we go ahead and make sure that the land is secure for the university? Lastly, sir.
Actually, lastly.
This is the last one. Yes, this is the last one. Allow me to say that why the voters are receiving money, because it has been talked about and nobody answered. I want to answer it very clearly. While the voters are receiving money from us, the candidates, there are people who have received money from their sponsors. And those sponsors who gave the money to the candidates are accountable to them. It means that when they go back, if you let them back, they will have no chance to say no. They will only say yes. Give your vote to a candidate who has not got money and is not competent. Anybody. And that person
is you may not respond, but I need to clarify. Some of you are candidates being sponsored by political parties. The High Court has given money to that political parties.
Not every party.
So you can't accuse some of the people that have got money from them.
Not every party
It's
sponsors.
okay, but you can't accuse them because they got money from that.
The NRM, for example, sponsors that.
But if the party
do, but the Congress, they need to listen and say what the NRM, the party wants.
Fair enough.
This is not what we're doing. We are looking for our people and to make sure that everything that is fighting the people of Acholi subdivision must be presented.
Okay. Let me have the last candidate, Simon. Maybe I ask you to try to use 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll start with the question that was particularly called out for me to answer. The question of accountable and transparent leadership. Acholi's biggest weakness are leaders who are not accountable to their own people who are victims of government neglecting them for too long. I'll tell you, I joined UPC. I am a flag bearer of UPC. I have moved before presenting myself as a candidate across all the 79 cells. But across all the 79 cells, I did not get any political party with an office. I checked the books of village saving loan associations. You get NGOs, you don't get locally elected leaders following up on their people. And that's how our people are exploited by loan sharks. By people who come and pay you money, give you money at exorbitant interest and expect you the following day to pay, called per day. Because we have leaders in Acholi who are leaders of victims of government neglect, who don't listen to their people and they don't follow their people. I'll tell you that we have ministers in Acholi, over 6 of them, over Pa, over Balalo. They only came together when President Museveni called them and each one was given 500,000 shillings. None of them has ever sat down with the victims of war. You know, Uppsala University estimates that 15,000 children in Acholi are missing, dead, or alive. Nobody knows where they are. These are people who should be funded. These should be the degree holders. These should be the doctors and the pilots. Nobody cares about you if you don't mean anything in Acholi. I want to tell you that our problem starts with the budget cycle. Every September, the Ministry of Finance issues what they call a budget circular, a budget call circular, where they say at every parish, leaders sit down and tell us what your development and routine priorities are. You will not get even a minister go back to a parish to sit with his own people as a villager. You will not get an MP go back to Lawiadur in his village to start a ward budget circle. Budgets are passed without your priorities, but the first people to have a budget conference at Serena are our ministers and our MPs. We are condemned people because we don't have poor people, but we have poorly led people. We are poorly led by selfish, greedy leaders. That's our problem. It's not even Museveni. It's not Museveni. Our problem are local leaders, our own brothers whom we elect, whom we bless, that ignore us when they are the eating table. My next issue